exposing the secret behind zero in multiplication. Ever thought about why zero always wins? Hey kids, have you ever noticed that anytime you multiply a number by zero, you get zero? It's like zero has this superpower. Let's see it in action. 0 times 1? That's 0. 0 times 2? Yep, still 0. How about 0 times 3? You guessed it, 0 again. It doesn't matter if it's 0 times 4, 0 times 5, or even 0 times 12. The answer is always 0. But why? Think of 0 as a big eraser. When you multiply by 0, it's like erasing everything. Poof! Gone. No matter how big the number, 0 wipes it out. So next time you see 0 in a math problem, remember its secret power. 0 times anything is always 0. Cool, right? See you in the next math adventure.